Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing assets and choosing a destination that isn't a full website. Create a Google Ads account and add billing, then pick a landing option. Hosted form, Google My Business, App Store page, or phone number. Once done, set a clear campaign objective, calls, lead form submissions, or app installs, because Google optimizes differently for each. Make sure to gather 1 or 2 images, a short headline, and a compelling call to action, so ads can be built immediately. Now construct the campaign with precise targeting and creative. Choose search or smart campaigns. For apps, choose app campaigns. Add intent keywords and narrow locations. Include audience signals like remarketing lists or in-market segments so Google learns quickly. Choose a bidding strategy, maximize conversions or target CPA. Then set a modest daily budget to start. Create responsive text ads with 3 to 4 variations and enable lead form or call extensions. Once ads are live, monitor early performance to refine keywords and bids. Finish by launching and focusing on measurement. Ensure conversions are tracked. Use Google lead form submissions, call reporting, or Firebase for installs, and tag any external landing URLs with UTM parameters. Let the campaign run for 3 to 7 days to gather data, then optimize, pause underperforming ads, increase bids on successful keywords, and test new headlines. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect policy rejection messages and conversion setup first. Misconfigured tracking or policy flags are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.